Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue marinade sauce. We'll begin by selecting key ingredients that contribute to both flavor and texture, ensuring a truly exceptional result. Understanding the role of each component is crucial for achieving that perfect balance in your marinade. This method ensures your marinade will tenderize and infuse your meat with incredible taste, making every bite delicious and memorable. Next, let's focus on the acidic components, which are vital for tenderizing your meat. Apple cider vinegar provides a wonderful tang, while fresh lemon juice adds a bright, zesty note. Don't forget a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for that deep, savory umami. These ingredients work together to break down tough fibers, ensuring your barbecue is incredibly tender and juicy. Now, let's balance those acids with some sweetness and savory depth. Brown sugar and honey are perfect for creating a rich, caramelized flavor that complements the tang. Smoked paprika adds a beautiful color and a smoky essence, while garlic powder provides that essential aromatic foundation. These elements combine to create a complex and irresistible flavor profile for your barbecue. Finally, it's time to bring it all together and prepare for marinating. Whisk all your ingredients thoroughly to ensure everything is perfectly blended. For optimal flavor and tenderness, marinate your meat for at least 4 hours. For thicker cuts, I recommend marinating overnight in the refrigerator. This allows the flavors to deeply penetrate, guaranteeing a delicious and memorable barbecue experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.